when the stars come out on my side of town. That heavy feeling knocks at my door, and the whole world turns gray. There's a tiny pub across the railroad tracks. I've got a spot for two, way in the front, where I sit in silence and think of losing you. I spend most every evening beneath the glow of a neon light. Now if you lose your one true love, there's always space here for the heartbroken, to watch your shattered dreams swirl in and out of the rays of a neon moon. I think of two young souls running wild and free. I close my eyes and sometimes dream you in the corners of this smoky room. No telling how many smiles I've hidden inside, or how many truths that I've denied, telling my weary heart you return someday. Oh, but I'll be just fine as long as there's glow from a neon light. Oh, if you lose your one true love, there's always space here for the heartbroken, to watch your shattered dreams swirl in and out of the rays of a neon moon. And the lyrics of every sad song seem to echo my thoughts, and this pain inside of me ain't ever gonna cease. Oh, but I'll be just fine as long